Time for our noon walk, and as you can see, it's raining. Well, basically it has been raining since we came back from our noon walk. It started basically, what, 20 minutes later, but yeah, but it's not raining enough to have an umbrella, so we went ahead. We will have a quick walk, but yeah, I have made while we were home after the walk. Oh, will she howl? See? Okay. No pretty. Pridna. So she's done with the howl. Well, it was a proper howling. So yeah, I made arrangements to visit the vet. And yeah, we'll be here later this week, basically on Saturday, the Saturday morning. That's the first vacant slot that the vet had, and there is another small doggo. So yeah, when Lisa was small, basically for first 3 years of her life, she loved going to the vets. And they were always, kind to her, even though if they were doing some kind of, medical things on her, in spite of getting shots and everything. The most, let's say, horrifying experience that I saw at the vet while he was working on her. So when she was a puppy, early when in the morning when she would wake up, she had quite a lot of pus on her eye, one of the eyes. It usually, well, both of them would have quite a large amount, but one of them would be basically very, very filled with pus or sleepy, let's say. So I went to the vet so that they would check if there is anything wrong with her, if she has any allergies. And while in one of the tests also involved taking tweezers and pulling away her third eyelid, the see-through eyelid, and checking it and below cornea if it's damaged. And Lisa was okay, she wasn't under influence of any tranquilizers or anything. She was just there taking it like a champ. But when she was 4 and we went for our regular checkup yearly, I said if they could also check anal glands, and if they are full, to let's say clean them. And yeah, that started her process of hating the vets. Yeah, and since then, basically, when we go to the vets, she has to have muzzle on, because she's very, 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 very angry at them. She hasn't tried to bite them yet, but you know, a lot of growling. So just to be sure, I put muzzle in now when we go to the vets. And yeah, usually she would be, when she was, you know, for the first 3 years, she would be actually pulling me in the examining room, because there she would get the best treats. Now when we come into examining room, she's like, uh-oh, I know this place, let's go out. I know what they will do. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to repeating this process again this year. So basically this year she will get only a shot for worms and other stuff. So I checked, she already her rabies shot is up to date, still valid for 2 more years. So yeah, no need for this year. So yeah, I'm just worried with all this, you know. Okay, we will not go to her snow patch today, where he has had so much fun. So most likely it will not melt away, because it's still freezing. It's very cold. But that means during the night, all this, you know, water on the ground, it will freeze and we will have ice, and that it will mean slippery and I will fall most likely. Oh, the rain has picked up. Now it's a problem a little bit, because I don't have any umbrella and my mobile is exposed to the rain. Will she? Let's just wait if she will roll. In spite, she will roll. Oh, Pridna. Oh, and I already can feel the snow here is already more slippery to sleep. Slippery. Okay, I will have to figure it out. It's more likely, yeah, it's more slippery than yesterday. Okay, tongue twister. Well, at least for me. Okay, let's end out here on this note, on this point.